I'm always excited to come here and be welcomed with open arms. Tennille McCoy, candidate for Assembly and Legislative District 14. One of the things that really was my highlight from today's uh, view was the women in the pink hard hats. And so I'm just so excited to see women on the construction site and being a part of this, and all the young people. It's amazing to see the amount of young people that are taking part in the activities, and they are really making sure that they're building a foundation and they're a part of this history. With the amount of volunteers that you have, those are individuals who don't necessarily just have the 9 to 5. Those are individuals who feel the need to make sure that they're giving back each and every day. It's a part of their fabric, and it's in their hearts, it's in their minds, it's in their souls.